Lesson 3A, Review 1. Lesson 3A, Review 2. So grab a pencil and paper and follow along with me. When you engage your body, you engage your mind. So this follows Lesson 3A. And remember, I'm undoing division. Packages, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. If something's attached to your unknown by division, move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign, because our goal is to get x alone. So I have x over 5 equals 2. I want to get x alone. 5 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign, and I'm getting x equals 10. Number 2, x over 2 equals 5. I want to get x alone. 2 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. X equals 10 again. Number 3, x over 3 equals 6. Here's my unknown. 3 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 18. Number 4, x over 6 equals 3. Here's my unknown. 6 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 18 again. Number 5, 10 equals x over 1. I want to get the x alone. It is alone. This 1 divided, there's always a 1 in any denominator. Let's say I have the number 7. I can write that as a fraction by putting 1 underneath it. Let's say I have the number 10,000. I can make it as a fraction by putting 1 underneath it. But I can also say 1's attached by division, move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign, and I'm getting 10 equals x, which we knew it was going to be because 10 divided by 1 is 10. Number 6, I have 1 equals x over 10. I want to get the x alone. 10's attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. 10 times 1 is 10. Number 7, 0 equals x over 5. 5's attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. 5 times 0 is 0. All done. Number 8, 32 equals x over 0. No, I cannot do this one. I'm not going to be tempted. You're not allowed to do division by 0. No. If you got anything wrong here, watch me do it again and you do it again. You want to replace that memory in your brain of an incorrect problem done correctly. If you got anything wrong, just do it again. Do it again right away. Cross out what you've done and do it correctly. You want to replace in your brain the error with something correct. So if you got something wrong, it's just not a big deal. Cross it out, start again. Review 2, Lesson 3A, Undoing Division. Number 1. X over 2 equals 7. I want to get x alone. 2 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. And remember, I can use a dot instead of multiplication. I have x equals 14. Dot means multiplication. This is the same as this, but it's not the same as this. This is 72. This is 7 times 2. This is 7 times 2. Number 2. X over 7 equals 2. I want to get x alone. 7 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. X equals 14. Number 3. X over 5 equals 5. I want to get the x alone. 5 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 25. X over 12 equals 3. I want to get the x alone. 12 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. 12 times 3 is 36. 7. 0 equals x over 278. I want to get the x alone. 278 is attached by division. Move it by multiplication to the other side of the equal sign. 278 times 0 is 0. 0 equals x. Number 8. 99 equals x over 0. I want to get the x alone, but wait a second, I'm not allowed to divide by 0. No solution.